continuation of the 3.8 notes. Specifically, we're going to do the last two examples on the 3.8 notes. I'm going to scroll down. Maybe seem to have frozen a little bit. There we go. So we did all of those in the part 1 video. So this is the part 2 video where we're going to do the last two examples leading directly to your Harry Potter graphing activity. If you recall, this 3.8 is alternative forms for graphing, okay? So what this one has given us is this has given us a point and a slope. So what we need to do now is, of course, take those two pieces of information and graph. So I'm going to look over here, and the first thing I notice is I've been given a point. So I'm going to remind myself a point is sideways, then up and down, okay? My point is negative 6, 3. So I'm going to start at the origin always, and I'm going to plot the point. 4, 5, 6. So I have to count. And then up, 1, 2, 3. So this is different than slope, guys. Remember, it's different than slope, okay? This is just a point. That's all this is, a point, okay? So then I need to do my slope with this. My slope is 2, so I'm going to square that. And how does that mean Kyle moves? He goes up 2 over 1. So from here he's going to go up 2 over 1. Excuse me. Okay, up 2 over 1. Let me make that a little bit darker so you guys can see it a little bit better. 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. And if I can't go up 2 over 1, I'm going to go down 2, back 1, because I want to plot all my points to make it more accurate. Okay? And then you'll just draw your line. Now you will, okay, and you're going to draw a way better line than me because you're going to have rulers to do it. All right, guys? You draw your line, and that's it. Okay? So these are a little bit different. You might not necessarily see the y-intercept. All right, so don't worry about it, okay, unless it says it. Now, the other example over here, this one does give me a y-intercept of negative 6. The y-intercept is where we cross the y-axis. So I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's my y-intercept, okay? And then my slope is, again, how Kyle moves. Let me get a different color. And my slope is negative 4 thirds. So that's negative 4 over 3. Always give that negative to the top number. Always. Okay? So I'm going to go down 4 over 3. But you will notice that I can't actually fit that all the way on. Okay? So I am going to reverse it to go back up and make more points. So if I can't go down and to the right, I can see my angle. I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4 and to the left. Okay, guys? So make it work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Now you will be graphing these by hand today. Okay, it's only 6 problems, so it's not very taxing. And there you go. Beautiful line. So today's assignment is going to be given a point and a slope. So you will have this fabulous Harry Potter graphing, and he needs to catch the snitch. I'm sorry, he needs to. You're going to graph all the following flight paths and find out which one catches the snitch. The rest of them lead to being hit by a bludger. And a bludger are these balls that just go to try to attack the hitter. So one of these is going to hit the snitch, and one of these is going to hit the bludger. So as you guys graph them, you're going to number them, is what you're going to do. You're going to number them. So generally, I would ask y'all, which one do y'all want me to try? And I think we'll try number 6 first. Okay, so let's look at kind of number 6. Number 6 has a, and I'm going to go back up so I can color code because I've been trying really hard to color code for y'all on these. I'm going to go and I'm going to do my y-intercept. This one gives me a y-intercept of 4. Let me reduce the size of that too so y'all can see it all at once. Okay, the y-intercept of 4. So I'm going to plot that 4. And my slope happens to be 3. 3 means I'm going to go up 3 over 1. So from here, I'm going to go up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1. I don't hit anything. So if I can't go up 3 over 1, I'm going to reverse both arrows because you can see the direction that it's going. Down 3 over 1, down 3 over 1, down 3 over 1. And oops, excuse me. Did I go down 3 over 1 here? 1, 2, 3 over 1, down 1, 2, 3 over 1. Sorry. And down 3 over 1. So you get hit by this bludger. So I would number it bludger number 6. So that tells me that that is the 6th line right there. That's the one it hits. So one of them is going to catch the golden snitch. The golden snitch, if y'all can't tell, just happens to be this little number right here. And that gives you 150 points in Quidditch.